Welcome. In front of me is a ULEFONE Armor 3W, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. Now to get started, let's open up our standalone contacts app, and from here you want to tap on 3 bars and go to settings, where you should find the option to import. Let's allow. So from here you want to select that you want to import your contacts from USIM. Tap on next, import them to our phone. Now there will be more options, assuming I was logged into, for instance, something like a Google account. If I were, a Google account would be visible right here as one of those options, but because I'm not, there is only a phone option. So let's tap on next, and then select our contacts that we want to import to our device. So simply select whichever one you want, and then tap on OK. And there we go, we have imported our contacts. And as you can see, now we have more contacts. The ones without like the green SIM card icon on the side are the contacts that are on our device instead of the SIM card. So that is how we import it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.